Have you ever wondered how you can wash the mattress or the foam while running the laundry business? Probably somebody have come to meet you that, sir, do you wash a mattress or do you wash a sofa? I say, no, I don't wash a sofa, I don't wash mattress. No, I'm only washing clothes, duvet, towel. No, 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 no. As I've already said, you can always wash anything washable. Laundry business is all about washing, and then you can do anything. You just have to know the basic things to need to know on how to go about it. Yes. And on today's video, I want to explain to us how you can simply wash the mattress or the foam. Even though you are a beginner, or you just start laundry business, or you are a professional, or you are a startup of laundry business, on this tip you can be able to learn it and then learn it well. Once again, this is Sparks Laundry Academy. Follow us for more wonderful videos. You can subscribe to this video, subscribe to our channel, like the video. Don't comment in the comment section on how you wash your foam or mattress, so others can be able to learn. Share this video so this video can have more views and more people may come and like it. And if you are interested to join this academy or you want to start the laundry business, you don't know how to go about it, Palms Laundry Academy get to cover. Get in the comment section that I am interested, and then we'll come back to you. So let's proceed. Once again, viewers, welcome to Palms Laundry Academy. On today's video, how do you wash the mattress? Yes, on this video, I will be explaining 3 ways on how you can wash the mattress. First of all, to easily wash the mattress is by using a vacuum cleaner. Yes, you know vacuum cleaner. You can use vacuum cleaner to clean and to wash the mattress. Yes, but I don't want to go there right now, but I'll make a video on how to make it, wash it with a vacuum cleaner. Secondly, what you can do to wash the mattress or the foam in case somebody asks if you are washing. No matter if the foam is dirty, no matter if the foam is smelly, no matter if the foam is being dumped, you can still wash the foam and it will come back shiny and better. What you need, first of all, you need what they call caustic soda. I will put everything in the description box to check the link in the description box, and then you will see everything you need to know on how to go about it. One, you need caustic soda or what they call baking soda. Yes, baking soda or baking powder. You need that one. Secondly, you need hydrogen peroxide. 3, you need liquid soap or yes, liquid soap if you have any, or you can use detergent soap, but liquid soap will be more preferable. We still have number 4, you need to have a salt, kitchen salt. These are the 4 things you need to have while running. And the extra of it now, you need to have vinegar. So these 5, vinegar, caustic powder, salt, warm water, and all of that. You can use them to wash the foam. So how do you wash it? Let's say this is the foam you want to wash. First of all, you sprinkle the baking soda, baking powder on top of the mattress. All of it, sprinkle it. Yes, and then with your salt, sprinkle the salt upon the whole foam of the front of the mattress in the sun. You sprinkle it there, and you leave it for at least 1 hour to 2 hours. What is the work of the baking powder? It absorbs smell. Yes, it absorbs odor, dirty smell and smelly odor. It absorbs them. And the salt acts as a cleaning agent also. It absorbs and it keeps bacteria, it keeps fungi, it keeps all those germs that's inside the bed if the bed has been kept for a long time. Yes. So secondly again, you now carry a bowl and pour white vinegar. Yes, white vinegar. Pour it inside the bowl and stir. And then white vinegar on the bowl. You carry your peroxide, allergy peroxide. Pour it upon the bowl also with your liquid detergent. Stir. After you finish stir. Then use the brush, touch it, and then begin to scrub. After you've allowed the foam to be outside for at least 2 hours, the sun, you clean the foam and then you begin to scrub hard. You see, the foam will keep on repeating the process. That foam will come back new and come back shiny. If the stain persists, add more salt, add more laundry powder inside, and then you scrub everywhere. You see the cloth, your mattress will become shiny and better. And the other last way to do it, Just as I mentioned these items now, you put all of them inside the bowl. Carry your pressing iron, plug it, let the iron be on the highest heat. Carry a damp towel, place it inside the container, which all those chemicals, those substances inside, and then wrap it with the iron. You need to iron it in the foam like this. The damp cloth will be absorbing the dirt from it, because everything the soda, the peroxide, and the vinegar is inside the bowl and inside the damp cloth. It will be able to absorb them and absorb another. This is a very easy way on how you can wash the mattress or the foam if somebody bring it to you to do. Once again, if you are seeing for the first time, this is Pam's Laundry Academy. Can do well to subscribe to our channel, that we will have more of you. Don't comment in the comment section, like the video, and then share it to all those who wish to join the academy for free. I will get back to you. Bye.